Okay, so for this year Africa Day, we want to know if Africans truly know Africa. Let's go.
First to guess.
Okay, so we don't start.
We don't start.
On each flag, you have 15 seconds on each flag.
Waiting they worry this one.
15 seconds.
15 seconds on each flag.
Congo. Yeah, let's go now.
Cameroon.
On this first flag, on this first flag, your time starts now.
Cape Verde.
Cape Verde.
I go with his own.
Cape Verde.
Cape
Island
Verde.
country located in Eastern Africa.
it's
First letter is C. Island country. Cape Verde.
Final answer.
East Africa.
No, anybody will get them, don't get them now.
No, we are talking together now.
It's not Central African Republic. So
It can't be Central African
It's
Republic.
Cape Verde now.
It's
Cape
Cape
Verde.
Verde. Now be one island country.
I go with
Cape Verde is in the
Cape Verde
west.
is in the west.
Cape Verde. See.
Comoros.
Comoros. Yes. Comoros. Comoros.
Is that final answer?
Comoros.
It's Comoros now.
Final answer.
Comoros.
Final answer.
Now Comoros.
Comoros.
So let's go. If we are correct, tell us. If we are not
Comoros,
correct,
Cape
tell
Verde.
us. No be.
Comoros.
You
Cape
go
Verde,
flog
Central
us.
African Republic.
It's collectively, so final answer.
Are we all saying
Comoros.
Comoros? Are we going
Yeah,
for
Comoros.
Comoros?
Yes, Comoros. Yeah. It's Comoros.
Correct.
Asabi.
It's on located the Central African Republic. Yeah, this one is Central African Republic.
Sure.
Yeah, now Central African Republic.
Yes,
Central Africa.
CAR, CAR.
Yes, CAR. Yeah.
Central African Republic.
Correct.
Okay.
Yeah, let's
We
go.
go school.
Located in
This is
Northwest
Mauritania now.
Africa.
Mauritania.
Mauritania, Mauritius.
This is
Mauritania,
Mauritania, Mauritius. Hey,
Mauritania.
Wala.
Located in Northwest Africa.
Mauritania.
Northwest. You they go from West Africa, they go north.
Now Mauritania.
Like
Now.
Mauritania.
Mauritania. May we go for Mauritania, yeah.
Mauritania.
We'll go for Mauritania.
Mauritania.
Correct.
Okay, 3 correct already.
All right.
We baddest.
East Africa, first letter is C.
Swaziland, is it?
Okay, Sierra Leone is in West Africa.
Swaziland.
Swaziland is very correct.
Swaziland.
Swaziland.
There's one new.
Yeah.
And
Wait,
Swaziland
Sao
is
Tome and Principe, no be Africa.
in Africa now.
Because this flag.
Wait. East Africa. Sao Tome, that place, they get oil.
Swaziland.
They get crude oil for that place.
Ah.
Sao Tome and
For
Principe.
this flag. Sao Tome, Principe, Swaziland.
But this one are clues, sef. Una just East
I don't
Africa.
know.
Una go tell
East
us one or
West
two
Africa
things
dey.
where they even
West
get for the
Africa.
East
country.
Africa.
dey.
North,
East na
south,
that side,
east,
that on
west.
side, na Somalia side.
Okay, that's
Those
Somalia,
are Kenya,
Somalia
Somalia angle.
Hey, Swaziland now.
Swaziland.
Final
Yes, Swaziland.
answer. Swaziland.
Seychelles.
Seychelles. Oh, I call it
yeah.
Seychelles. Oh, okay.
All right.
miss one.
Next one.
So we know this one. Ha.
Located in East
that's
Africa.
not the
too.
Swaziland,
First letter is
This one are the Swaziland.
sweet for Swaziland. This flag is sweet for Swaziland. You don't watch them, then they play football. They
But how
sound,
they
they
see
sound
that?
European. They
Yeah.
look
That's
European
not
in
the
their
Swaziland. believe.
Swaziland.
Be like saying another their color. be that-
Swaziland.
Swaziland. Blue and white.
Yes.
Swaziland.
That's Somalian flag.
This does not even look pirates. This doesn't look pirates at
Pirate
all.
color. Pirate color. No blue like this. You know blue.
Okay, so we're getting to the last one. Abi. This is Liberia. This is Liberia. Don't give-
Liberia.
Go, wait.
Please,
No,
please.
see the clue.
This is
Nah,
just
nah,
Liberia. I don't want to do
Liberia
anything.
Liberia
Even
now.
remove the
Liberia.
clue.
Close eye.
Remove the clue.
Liberia.
Even George Weah no fit tell me say this thing no
Why
correct.
they go
is
come out the
Liberia.
clue?
I don't need the clue.
Yeah, it's
This is
Liberia.
Liberia.
Wait,
This one
Liberia.
Wait, oh.
now only
they say
they
final answer.
now only they resemble America
Liberia.
for Africa in flag.
Because I actually don't meet Liberian person before. And
Ah.
the person they speak like American.
Bro, anytime you see their flag, this na the only flag wey resemble American flag.
Because now
Na
them be the only
Liberia.
They
African
say
country.
final answer.
Now them be the only African country where
You know,
America
my
colonized.
granddad go there go command troop. No?
You.
So it's Liberia.
Your granddad
Liberia.
this time.
It's Liberia.
Liberia.
It's Liberia. Final answer.
Now America colonized them. So,
See,
yeah.
it's good.
Final answer.
Final answer.
Liberia,
Liberia. You
Liberia.
can't tell me anything else, okay? It's correct. I want to hear.
It's Liberia now.
So waiting.
Wait
Flag
first.
does not belong to an African country. It belongs to Puerto Rico.
So and you
But
are
it
saying
looks
L.
like- it
So
looks
this is
like-
Puerto Rico. Your clue is saying L. So
L.
L and Puerto Rico.
It was just a throw you off. Oh, sorry, you are correct. Final answer is Liberia.
What are you saying? What's this guy saying?
It's Liberia now.
Africa Day flag quiz.
Yeah, we are Africans. Yeah, we are Africans. Why you not come put green, white, green?
Any message to your African brothers?
But we be Africans, yeah. So we should go back to our ancestors. It's very, very important. All this copy what they do, you know, will take us anywhere. As we dey see am. So we need to go back. We guys go back to our ancestors because we be African. And we guys be proud to be African.
You are an African man and woman where they listen to me or where they watch me. So no, say you get the potential to grow this continent.
Okay, so I always get this question where I want to ask Africa basically, and every time I get a chance to ask, I'll ask like this: wetin we dey do when the West cross the same waterway divide the two of us, cross come this side, just catch us unaware, and then take us in and out, and now wetin we still dey suffer till tomorrow be that. We can only grow if we now go back to our roots and come clean collectively.
Correct.
We need to come clean collectively. If we know the collective, form corporation. You know, say na corporation right still the full pot.
This one touch me.
That corporation na make us move through. So deep thought, deep check,
It touch
and we
me.
move on. Africans.
You never download the Wazobia FM app? Chai! You dey miss wella. Oh yeah, download our Wazobia FM app today on top Apple Store and Google Play Store. Make you fit listen anywhere and everywhere. Join the Chukmat family today.
Wazobia FM 95.1.
Chuk pounds.